Is it Triss or the White Walkers?
The White Walkers have been gone for thousands of years.
So he was lying.
The madman sees what he sees.
What is it? Mountain lion?
There are no mountain lions in these woods.